Yo, what's up everybody? It's your girl Tha Nun and we are back with another travel vlog. This time we're taking you straight to the shores of paradise, Ngapali Beach, Myanmar. We're talking pristine white sands, crystal clear turquoise waters, and a whole lot of adventure. If you're looking for that perfect escape from the daily grind, then buckle up, because this journey is for you. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the top things to see and do in Ngapali. So get ready to take some notes because you're about to witness some serious wanderlust. Alright, let's kick things off with the main attraction, Ngapali Beach itself. We're talking miles of untouched coastline, powdery white sand, and water so clear you can see straight to the bottom. Imagine this, you, a good book, and the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, take a dip in the ocean, or just stroll along the beach and collect seashells, this place has got you covered. And the best part? Ngapali Beach is still relatively undiscovered, which means you won't be fighting for your own little slice of paradise. It's like having your own private beach, but without the hefty price tag. Speaking of price tag, let's talk about how affordable everything is here. From the food to the accommodation, Ngapali Beach won't break the bank. Ngapali Beach is also a great spot for water sports like kayaking, paddleboarding, and jet skiing. Trust me, the sunsets here are something else. So, if you're looking for that perfect beach getaway, Ngapali Beach should be at the top of your list. Now let's dive into the heart of local life and hit up Thandwe Market. Get ready for a sensory overload because this place is a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and smells. We're talking bustling stalls overflowing with fresh produce, colorful spices, handcrafted souvenirs, and everything in between. This is where you can really immerse yourself in the local culture and experience the true essence of Myanmar. You'll find locals bartering for the best deals, street food vendors whipping up delicious snacks, and artisans showcasing their unique crafts. Don't be afraid to haggle, it's all part of the experience. And trust me, you'll find some hidden gems at bargain prices. But the real highlight of Thandwe Market is the food. From freshly caught seafood to traditional Burmese curries, your taste buds are in for a treat. Thandwe Market is more than just a place to shop, it's a cultural experience that will stay with you long after you leave. So ditch the tourist traps and head straight to Thandwe Market for an authentic and unforgettable experience. Alright guys, let's escape the mainland for a bit and set sail to Pearl Island. This hidden gem is just a short boat ride away from Ngapali Beach, and trust me, it's worth every second of the journey. As you approach the island, you'll be greeted by towering palm trees, pristine white sands, and water so blue, it looks like it's been photoshopped. Pearl Island is the epitome of tranquility. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds, soak up the sun, and just disconnect from the world. You can spend your days swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing on the beach with a good book. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can hike to the top of the island for breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding coastline. The scenery is absolutely stunning, and it's the perfect spot to snap some epic photos for the gram. Pearl Island is a true slice of paradise, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and simply reconnect with nature. Let's explore the charming fishing villages near Ngapali Beach. These villages offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Myanmar, where life revolves around the sea. See colorful boats, fishermen mending nets, and locals in their daily routines. It's a world away from tourist crowds, offering true authenticity. Wander around, soak up the atmosphere, and interact with friendly locals. Experience their warmth and hospitality. Sample the local catch at waterfront restaurants. Enjoy grilled fish, prawns, crab, and lobster. Visiting these villages is an unforgettable experience. Alright golf enthusiasts, listen up because Ngapali Beach has something special in store for you. Get ready to tee off against a backdrop of breathtaking ocean views at the Ngapali Golf Course. This 18-hole course is a golfer's paradise, offering challenging gameplay, stunning scenery, and a tranquil atmosphere that's hard to beat. Imagine this, you're lining up your shot, the sun is shining, a gentle breeze is blowing, and in the distance, you see the sparkling turquoise waters of the Bay of Bengal. It's enough to make you forget about your scorecard and just enjoy the moment. But don't let the scenery distract you too much, because this course will put your skills to the test. With its undulating fairways, strategically placed bunkers, and challenging greens, Ngapali Golf Course offers a rewarding experience for golfers of all levels. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual player, a round of golf at Ngapali Golf Course is an experience not to be missed. Alright, adventure seekers, it's time to dive into the crystal clear waters of the Bay of Bengal and discover a whole other world beneath the surface. Ngapali Beach is a haven for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts, with its vibrant coral reefs, abundance of marine life, and excellent visibility. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time snorkeler, Ngapali Beach has something for everyone. You can explore shallow reefs teeming with colorful fish, swim alongside graceful rays, or even encounter gentle whale sharks if you're lucky. There are plenty of dive operators in the area that offer guided tours and courses for all levels. They'll provide you with all the equipment you need and take you to the best dive spots in the area. And if you prefer to stay closer to the surface, snorkeling is a great way to experience the underwater beauty of Ngapali Beach. So, whether you're a seasoned diver or a curious beginner, make sure you add snorkeling or diving to your Ngapali Beach itinerary. Let's hop aboard and explore the stunning coastline of Ngapali Beach. Discover hidden coves, secluded beaches, and nearby islands. Choose from half-day trips, full-day excursions, sunset cruises, or overnight adventures. Visit nearby islands like Pearl Island. Enjoy pristine beaches and excellent snorkeling, admire breathtaking views of the coastline. Take a sunset cruise and witness a magical sunset. It's a truly magical experience. Charter a private boat to explore hidden coves or go fishing or simply relax and soak up the sun. No matter the tour, it's an unforgettable experience. Alright foodies, get ready to tantalize your taste buds because Ngapali Beach is a seafood lover's paradise. With its abundance of fresh catches, the local restaurants offer a culinary journey that will leave you craving for more. From humble beach shacks to upscale restaurants, Ngapali Beach has something to offer every palate and budget. But one thing's for sure, no matter where you go, you're guaranteed the freshest seafood you'll ever taste. Imagine this, you're sitting at a beachfront restaurant, the sand between your toes, the sound of the waves crashing in the distance, and in front of you is a plate piled high with grilled fish, prawns, crab, and lobster. One of the best things about dining in Ngapali Beach is that you can choose your own seafood from the day's catch. Simply head to the kitchen, point to what you want, and the chef will prepare it to your liking. So, ditch the diet and indulge in the culinary delights of Ngapali Beach. Alright, adventure seekers, let's ditch the motorized transportation and explore the beauty of Ngapali Beach on two wheels. Cycling tours are a fantastic way to discover hidden gems, experience local life, and get some exercise at the same time. You can rent a bike from your hotel or one of the many rental shops in the area, and with its flat terrain and well-maintained roads, Ngapali Beach is a cyclist's paradise. One popular cycling route is to head north along the coast, passing through charming fishing villages, lush rice paddies, and secluded beaches. You can stop for a refreshing coconut at a roadside stall, chat with friendly locals, and soak up the authentic atmosphere of rural Myanmar. Another great option is to explore the interior of the peninsula, where you'll find hidden temples, ancient pagodas, and breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. So grab a bike and hit the road. You'll be amazed by what you discover. Alright folks, as our Ngapali Beach adventure comes to an end, let's finish on a high note. And what better way to do that than with a breathtaking sunset view over the ocean? Every evening as the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. From fiery oranges and reds to soft pinks and purples, the sunset views in Ngapali Beach are simply magical. Find a comfortable spot on the beach, grab a refreshing drink, and prepare to be mesmerized. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the water, you'll feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash over you. It's the perfect way to end a day in paradise. Whether you're traveling solo, with your significant other, or with family and friends, sunset in Ngapali Beach is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. So, make sure you set aside some time to witness this natural spectacle. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our Ngapali Beach adventure. I hope this video has inspired you to add this slice of paradise to your travel bucket list. From pristine beaches and crystal clear waters to vibrant markets, delicious food and friendly locals, Ngapali Beach has it all. If you're looking for that perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, this is the place to be. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments below where you want to see me explore next. Thanks for watching our guide on the top attractions and activities in Ngapali Beach, Myanmar.